Hello guys! Today we're doing another science experiment. It's a test. And do you know what kind of test it is? The flame test. So we're going to get started now. So the most important thing when you're doing these science experiments, these metal chemistry light experiments, is that you should always be safe wearing protective eyewear. Conduct the experiment on the protective, on the delay, and in a well-ventilated area. Keep a bowl of water nearby while working a fire. Keep flammable materials and hair away from the flame. So that's why you should always put it up in a ponytail, like me. Do not touch the stove after the experiment. Wait until it cools down. Do not attempt to extinguish the solid. Do not go to your pantry and get the fire extinguisher. So, that's the safety rules. And now, we're gonna put on my goggles and get started. You may not know this, but these two things are elements. They are copper and zinc. On my little periodic table mat, I believe that copper is right here and zinc is right here. Right? Am I right? I'm on the back. Yes, I'm right, yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are all the things we'll be needing for flame test. So these two guys are copper and zinc, the solid fuel, these little chopstick thingies, the stove, a little measuring cup, spoon, and this piece of metal we will need to make the stove fit. Let's get started. Okay guys, we have assembled it all up. Look at this. Twiddle, dance, dance, dance. So now I guess we will be needing 2 spoonfuls of the solid fuel. Wait, I get to do it on my own?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Down, 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 down. We have added the solid fuel. You ready? Dump, 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 dump. Here we go again. This is helping hand. And now what do we do? So now that we've added the 2 spoonfuls of solid fuel, now we're going to light it on fire. This part may seem easy, but you're going to need a grown-up for this help. So what we're basically going to do, so we're going to light it on fire, and then it's going to turn to grizzly fire. So we're going to dump these elements in there, the blue ones over there, and see what color it changes. This little guidebook said it would turn to like different colors of fireworks. And it go pew, pew, pew! But I'm not so sure. Let's just find out.
Lighting our match.
It's not a match. Ah! We've never actually done this before. Is that good? It's turning green. Do I need more elements in there? More elements. Green fire! Now we're going to add copper. See what happens. Green fire. Green like lettuce. Add as much. That's crazy! easy. Okay, boys and girls, now we're gonna add the zinc. It's only blue. Blue like blueberries. Boys and girls, this is amazing. We're putting the zinc into fire and it's turning blue. Poor turtle. Spreading the elements everywhere. I think that's all the zinc there is. So, this means we're done with the experiment. Thank you for watching. Make sure to click subscribe. Bye.